So what's up, what's going on guys? JA, welcome back to the channel. The raffle is currently live as we speak for the YEEZY 350 V2 Compact Slate Blue, so make sure you guys enter that raffle via confirm. I have an update for you guys on the compacts, but first, let's get into a little unboxing. So as you guys can tell, this is a big ass box, which can only be one pair specifically. So this happens to be the sharpest object within my vicinity, so I'll be using these my daughter's scissors to unbox these. So I know y'all gonna be mad like, JA, you need to get a proper unboxing knife. But I'm sorry guys to disappoint you, but you know, I didn't ask my parents for a Supreme knife for Christmas last year, so we'll just have to work with what we got here. So this is a funny story about these joints, which I did share with you guys about this pair right here. So I actually copped these for retail off of YEEZY Supply, which is a rare W these days, you know what I'm saying? So I did actually line up a sale via StockX for these, as I was able to cop these, but not in my size. So I used these as leverage. I was gonna flip these on StockX, and then I went ahead and bought my proper size on GOAT. So here we have the insulated boot, guys, and honestly, this has become one of the top YEEZY drops of the year. So the story behind this is I had these lined up for sale on StockX. My actual shipment was delayed through YEEZY Supply, so StockX went ahead and canceled my sale, which I think I had these sold for like $500, which is about close to what I paid for my pair. So kind of even exchange. You guys know how it goes in the sneaker game. So it happens that they actually canceled my sale, which turns out to be a blessing, because if you check the prices for these on the secondary market, they have skyrocketed exponentially. So let's go ahead and check the resale price on my favorite app, the Wanted app. And I love Wanted because rather than going through different apps, they combine all the top reselling platforms all into one. So it looks like here for the insulated boot, wow, retail on these joints was $340. Currently on StockX, these joints are going for the lowest ask at $900, with the last sale at $850. And I remember I checked the price on these last week, they're around $800. So they've gone up about $100 in a week, which is absolutely crazy. But if you guys follow the channel, you know that I told you this was one of the most limited YEEZY releases of the year. I want to say there was less than 3K pairs, right? Yeah, less than 3K pairs of these. So the price, without a doubt, will skyrocket. Of course, possibly we'll get the black version next year. I'm sure there'll be more colors coming next year, but for now, the OG khaki colorway is highly coveted amongst the community. And yeah, these joints are absolutely crazy. So let me know what you guys think about these. Also, if you're interested in downloading the Wanted app, it's totally free to use. I highly advise you check it out. I have a link in the description. But yeah, these joints are absolutely crazy. What do you guys think these joints will go to? This size 6, as I mentioned, they're currently lowest ask is at $900. You know, I don't know if these will hit over 1,000. You think I should sell these joints now or sit on them? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. But for now, today's video will be about the upcoming YEEZY drop, which is going down this Monday, the Compact 350 Slate Blue, a new silhouette. It's an updated version of the 350, this time with a totally redesigned upper. The colorway, some would say, is not so appealing. I know some people are turned off by the sole. Some people feel like these joints look similar to the Covalite 380, but you guys know how it goes with YEEZY silhouettes. I get somewhat excited once we get a new YEEZY model because I gotta check them out, you know, see how these joints feel. Now, unfortunately, I did have a pair lined up for you guys, but my shipment has been delayed, so I won't be getting my pair till Monday's release date. So be on the lookout for that video. Now, a couple of updates. Of course, these are via confirm right now. Retail price is $230 US, not too bad. $10 increase over the regular V2, so can't be too mad at $10 or whatever. It is $10 though, so joints are on confirm right now. Originally, I previously reported to you guys that there would be around 5K pairs of these, but it looks like as of last night, did get an update for you guys. So the update states that for the compact Slate Blue, which is dropping Monday, so far we're looking like through Adidas and YEEZY Supply, there's a little bit less than 8,000 pairs available, which would label this as a tier 1 release. These joints right here are gonna be limited. It's a new silhouette. So even though I just mentioned the stock numbers, that doesn't mean all of those pairs are gonna be released for retail. Sometimes Adidas holds back certain pairs for whatever reasons. Sometimes they drop them later on exclusive access. Sometimes they have them available for friends and family, or who knows, whatever Ye wants to do with them. So these joints, via Adidas website, they are recommending to go true to size. Now, how many of you guys trust YEEZY Supply's sizing recommendations? Crickets. Personally, I'm still gonna have size up. I have a size 11 coming in, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. And I feel like anytime you have size up, you're always safe, because generally no Yeezy really ever runs true to size. So what do you guys feel about the knit upper? In my opinion, it reminds me of the knit basketball, almost very similar. So one thing I can tell you guys about these joints right here, the knitted upper definitely hugs your foot. It fits very tight to your foot, so I don't really trust their true to size recommendation. In terms of like the fit, when it comes to the knit upper, I would compare it to like the 450s if you guys have ever tried those on. So this release is gonna be very difficult to cop. Of course, some tier 0 retailers will have pairs of these available, but it's gonna be a bloodbath come Monday. But I'm just curious to see what the general public thinks about this pair right here, because it is a new silhouette. It is a 350, but sometimes people aren't so welcoming to change at first. But then on the other case, now that I'm reporting that these are extremely limited, you know, the resellers are gonna be trying to get these to quick flip. And some people just like shoes because they're more limited and more hyped or whatever. So let me know what you guys think about the new 350 compact Slate Blue. Have you guys been waiting for these? Are you excited for these? Are they a must-have? Or are you not really too hype on these? I know some people are gonna be waiting for the 350s that are dropping in December as well. I'm talking the Rock, I'm talking the blue tint, and everybody's favorite colorway, the Beluga, the reflective version. So let me know what you guys think. Look out for Monday's video, as I'll be sharing an on-feet look for you guys of these, and good luck to everybody. And just a reminder, make sure you guys sign up for the raffle right now and confirm. You know, you always want to increase your chances, because YEEZY Supply is never a go, unless hopefully they add back the SMS text verification, but we'll see, guys. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.